welcome to my Sunday Front. Today we have a haul, and this haul is very important to me, and it's kind of special to me because I think I've been slowly going on like a fitness and health journey and like my nutrition journey, and so I finally acquired something for my fitness goals that was kind of like a bigger item rather than like I usually just get like supplements and like clothes or something, some type of gear. But this time I got something for my fitness goals, which is, like I said, really important to me because like I want to push forward and be like stronger and have more endurance and have more strength. And so for me, like one thing for sure, I like to keep cardio in my routine, but also I like to do other things too. So I'll show you what that is in a minute, but let's open these little packages first. Let's see what's in here. So I ordered these throughout the week, and some I ordered the other day, which was like yesterday. So they got here right away because there's serious weather alert. So I thought I'd go ahead and buy it. This is a pack of foot peel masks. They're like little masks. You put them on your feet, and it's a pack of 5. And what they do is, it says foot-worn calluses. It removes all those hard spots from your feet and discoloration. So you put them on. They're like little booties, and you cover your feet. Like, you can do this before the shower for about 30 minutes, I think, and then you soak your feet afterwards and wash it off. So it says here it has lavender oil, shea butter, I think it's tea tree oil, and aloe extract and glycerin. So these are like natural ingredients. It's not like very, very harsh chemical. So I bought them. It says right here, you leave them on for 40 to 60 minutes and then remove the mask. But like what you do is like you put them on your clean feet and scrub like your feet to open the pores, and then you put these on for like an hour and then wash them off and soak them. So that's how you do that. And I buy them every once in a while. I don't really use them a lot, very often a lot. But I don't know why I just kind of got back into that whole thing, those trends. I have hygiene, and I have some Zollipops. These are after dinner treats for kids. I like these. These are fruit flavored. They have a variety of flavors. These are made of xylitol. And like I said, I like these whenever, but they're like just candy that clean your mouth. You know, like kind of like after dinner mints. So they're not very big at all. It's just kind of like a small little treat for yourself. You just open them like this. This one's grape. It's pretty good. This is cloves. This says 2-pack. Oh, I know what these are. These are workout tops. As you can see here, I have one black one and one gray one. And this is a size medium. I got medium because usually smalls too, I guess it's hard for me to put them on. Because like although I wear extra small and sometimes extra small, I find it kind of hard because like I'm kind of athletic. So like I feel like kind of stiff when I put on tops. So I usually get medium if I don't get small. So they're cute. I like them. I got biotin. This one is 10,000 milligrams. Let me see if anything else is in here. So I got this one 10,000 milligrams because I felt like I always get the ones that have like 2,000 milligrams with multivitamin, like hair, skin, and nails. If I don't get biotin with like, you know, 3,000 or something really small. So when I bought these were like on sale. These were like under $10, which is perfect for me. And I was like, you know, if I'm gonna give my hair like a boost, I want it to be, you know, I want it to make an impact. Not just like those little gummies I always buy. I'll show you guys my gummies. I always buy a gummy. These are actual pills. Like I said, it's a higher dose. This one takes one soft gel, and that's a good thing. They're not capsules, they're soft gels. And they're 10,000 mcgs. And this is brand Puritan Pride. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I bought a cute little outfit from the same company, Rosseek, and it comes with a bra. This is actually a bralette, lace top. So it has like a gold, I think it has a gold clasp in the back. So that's pretty cool. This reminds me a lot of Fredericks. If you guys know Fredericks of Hollywood. This is like a crisscross front. If you can see that. It's like a pretty lace. And the bottom goes like this. Well, it's a 3-piece set. So it has the bottom and the skirt, right, with the lace top and the see-through bottom. So it's pretty, the underwear set, like it's pretty plain, pretty basic. I like this little skirt thing. I think it's a really nice, cute like combination with this. So, I mean, as a set, like, I got it for, like, under 10. So, like, I was like, that's a good deal. And I also bought food. This is fajita seasoning mix. And corned beef hash. This is 25 ounces. This is like under $5, and this is like under $1. I think this was like 60 cents or something. So I thought it was a good deal. I love good deals. And I want to use them for recipes in the future. So I made sure to get them. Now this is another supplement that is important to me because, like I said, my fitness. And this is Elastijoint. I haven't tried this yet, but it says Full Strength by Labrada, the same company I usually buy shakes from, protein shakes. This has 5 grams of gelatin, 2 grams of MSM, 1.5 glucosamine, and 1.5 chondroitin. This is joint health support. This is good for your tendons and for your ligaments, for flexibility, to maintain your movement. Like it says right here, for your elasticity and flexibility. So like if you have trouble like moving around and stuff, like this is good for that. Like if you have stiff joints, or you know, any type of issues where it's like kind of a problem to be able to, you know, to move around. This also helps with flexibility. For me is important because like that's one thing that I always work on is being flexible. I used to do like contortion and like arabesque, gymnastics, things like that. You need to be on top of your game because like with all the movement and all the routine, all the wear and tear, like when after workout, post-workout they call it, you need to make sure that you keep on top of your supplement, because your supplement game, because a lot of times you need to recharge and kind of feed the muscle and kind of recover. So this helps with that, and it also helps with the ability to perform these things and take on these tasks. So I made sure I bought this. It was on sale when I bought it, but it's under, I think it's under, it was on sale for under $30, so I made sure I got one. And in this box, I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see. This one's full of food. I have medicine, and then I have the double decker taco kit. I bought this again because the last time I didn't get to try it, like how it looks in the picture, and I'm determined to, so I bought it again. And this time it was under $3, right? So that was perfect. This was also under $3. This is Oats chocolate strawberry bars. These are fiber bars that have 9 grams of fiber. They help you be regular and help your stomach kind of ease any discomfort after eating, kind of help your digestion. And there's 5 in here, and like I said, they're under $3, so they're perfect, you know, to snack on or whatever. I have this, it's under $2. It's strawberry banana nectar. It's just juice, pure juice, strawberry banana juice, and it's sweetened, but it's like I said, under $1.50, so it's pretty good buy. I like it. So then I bought, of course, I bought a can of sweet peas. I love peas. And then I got these cookies. These are by Pepperidge Farm. They are mint Milano cookies. They're like kind of real dainty cookies. I think they're like entertainment cookies, but when I was a kid, like I used to eat like bags of these a week. Like when I was a kid, like you could bribe me with these. I was pretty simple, but I mean, like these are really, really dainty little cookies. It's like dark chocolate and mint in the middle. They're real buttery, but also crispy. So last but not least is this big thing. And this, like literally, I'm so excited about. If I can get this open, that would be perfect. But it's just a simple thing by Amazon. It's brand Amazon, and I thought it would go good here in Studio C. So it is. Let me open the back. It is stuck. Oh, now my finger's stuck. And it's pretty big. I didn't think it would be that big, but the pad's pretty big. You see, this is a weight bench. So you can use free weights, or you can use regular barbell. So you just put it together. It has all the tools, all the screws, and a guide. So, I mean, for me, this is perfect. The best way to start my year with my fitness goal in mind, my New Year's resolution. Obviously, thank you guys for watching. I'm about to pig out here. And I'll see you in the next one. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. My son different. Bye-bye.